What's up YouTube, back again with another video, and in this one we're taking a look at this software called Art Text 4. It's by a company called Belight. Now this is only available for Mac, so all you Mac users listening, if you're a PC user, shame on you. Right, okay, so I struggle with, doing text and that in Photoshop and other platforms. I just like something that's going to make my life easier for the things I want to do, and this software really comes into its own for making amazing text, and you can also make logos with it. So I'm just going to show you quickly some of the things you can do with it before in the next video we will put it into action and add some of this some of these effects to a edit that we are going to do within Photoshop. But let me just show you this. For instance, we've got this text on here, and look how amazing this is. You can just, you can design it how you want. If you want it on an angle here, we've got sort of like real-time lighting effects. I just think it's so cool. Let me just close that one down and show you another one. Now I've got some of these packages that they said I could pick a few that I would like to try as well, so I picked a few, and let me just show you some of the ones I've got that we will do in another video. I think I've got the one of the there's some of the logos you can make, and you can add, take away, design things that are going to be ideal for you. But I've got this, where's it at? There's just so much to choose from as well. There's a lot of free ones, but there is some paid packages as well. Like for instance here we've got the superhero sort of style movie covers. I really like them ones. Oh yeah, some of these are really cool. Let me just show you the lava. But you can animate these as well, so they're ideal for your videos. But I mean, just look how cool that is. I'm just blown away with the 3D effects you can make with. Look at that coffee. The wood one. Look at these. I mean, it's just so cool. And I can integrate these into all my designs I do on Photoshop. But yeah, I mean, look, it's so realistic as well. And they've also added as well AI. Now, I haven't looked into that yet. We will do that in another video. But for now, I'm just showing you some of the things you can do. Look at this fur text. Oh, I haven't bought them. But some of the packages you can buy extra. I think I might have. I've got this one, the fire one. Yeah, I've got the fire one. We can do something with that in another video. Just close that one down. Clouds. I mean, it's endless. There is some really nice packages that they have supplied with this. I don't think I bought them ones. No. Did I go for that one? But as you can see here, we have got a lot of different styles of lettering that we can use. Now, somewhere down here, we've got some. Yeah, let's go to these ones as well. 3D designs. Just look at the quality of that text. And like I said, we can animate these and make them into things for logos, Photoshop, video intros. There's all sorts of things you can do with it. I want to see. Oh, there's the logos. So we've got all these logos as well. We can make our own logo designs, make them from scratch. There's just endless amount of things you can do with this software. But for the pricing, I do think it's too cheap. I shouldn't really say that, but yeah, it is definitely. Look at this. That is amazing. So I'm just giving you a quick look at it today. Some of the things you can do with it. I love cheese. I love cheese. And in the next video, we're going to take it further and integrate some of these. I'm sorry, I'm playing as I talk. Some of these effects into practice. And we're going to use them on the back of some projects we've got. But yeah, check it out yourself. I will leave a link in the description if you want to try it yourself. You can download it as a trial. I haven't got that one. You can download it as a trial. And then, ooh, Sonic the Hedgehog. But yeah, try it yourself as well. But in the next video, we're going to make like a movie poster. And we're going to add some of this text to the back of some of my images in Photoshop. You can save these as PNGs and that, so they've got clear backgrounds. And yeah, so they're just easy. Anyway, see you in the next video, guys.